Hi fans, how you guys doing? Oh my god, it's Spring Pips FX with the new YouTube video again. In this video, I'm gonna be walking you guys out on how to actually mine Tron coin. Man, this is legit, man. I'm telling you, this is legit. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do me a favor. Go hit the subscribe button ASAP. Go do that, man. Okay, man, let me walk you guys from the beginning, from the start to the end. Let's go. Okay, alright, now we're in right here. You're gonna find a link below. In anywhere, you're just gonna find a link. So when you hit on that link, it will bring you to this Play Store. So you actually have to install this application, guys. You just have to install this application. Now I'm gonna tell you something. This update is actually gonna make you smile. Okay, so let's just go into it. Just hit on this install, and we wait for it to install. Okay, we just have to wait a little while so it gets to 100%. Okay, all right, we are on 100% right now. So what we're gonna the next step you're gonna take right now is hit on the enable button. It's gonna display right in this section right here. That is it. So you hit on enable and then you hit on continue. So now when you continue this, it's actually going to take you back to where you hit it from. So you just have to go to your phone and you search for the application and hit on it, and you open the application. It's gonna look like this. So this is Tron. It's a cloud mining, so it's actually good, it's legit. So what you're gonna do is continue with your Google Mail. So I'm gonna do that right away. I'm gonna continue with my Google Mail, and then we're gonna move together to the next steps. So just stay with me, guys. Just a minute. Okay, I'm done right there. Okay, so this is it. I signed up with my Google Mail. You can see that is springtipsfx@gmail.com. So you just hit on this flag right here to change into your preferred country. I'm from Nigeria, so I'll be doing a quick search on Nigerian. You can actually search for the name up here, but I'll be just scrolling down. I'm gonna just look for it by scrolling down. Let's just scroll down. Okay, that's it right there. That's Nigeria. Nigeria is not country. So what you're gonna do is input your phone number right here, and then you check this little box to agree. You just do all that, and then you sign in. Voila, we are in. Just click on that start cloud mining. Look at it right up there. Click on that button. Hit the button right there. So it's gonna load and open this section for you guys. It's not big deal. It's just follow the steps and you're gonna get everything done. So right now they say start mining, so just hit on start now. Okay, all right, so we're in, guys. This is it now. We are mining. So this app actually mines for 12 hours, not 24 hours. So you can see the mining process has begun. It actually mined for 12 hours. So let's move to the next step. This next section is where you're gonna see your referral link, where you can share to anybody you want to. And this wallet section right here, this is the wallet section where you're gonna see how many TRX you have. Let me just walk you guys through it, and then hit on the roll. Okay, so now this section we have the select network, we have enter wallet address, and we have the amount. So you can see this amount section is where you input the amount of TRS you want to withdraw. And so let's just select let's select a network. Let me show you the network they have. Okay, so now look at it right here. They have Binance Smart Chain, which is Bet20. They have Binance Chain, which is Bet2, and they have Tron, which is TRC20, and they have send via email with a registered email from Binance. So if you have a Binance, you can just use that section. You put in your email right there, and I guess the minimum withdrawal is 5, but they're gonna take 1 for their network fee. So when you just do that, you just hit on the withdraw button right there, and under 24 hours it's gonna be sent to you. Okay, so this next section right here is where you're gonna spin the wheel. So this wheel you spin every 12 minutes. Okay, so you can see the minute right there, it's just counting. It hasn't elapsed the 12 minutes. So when it's out of this line, I can come right here to come and speed. So one thing about this app is like it's actually fast. The mining is fast. Mining is fast. So let's just this section is all about your profile, mining info, mining transaction, and your speed limit. So like look at it right now. See, I have 50 right now to just enter one. Okay, 50 to just clock one, and before you know it, I'm gonna be in 5 Tron coin and get my Tron coin out. So this other section right here is you can see the FAQ. You can join the Telegram. FAQ means ask frequent question. You can just click on it and read some about it. So that's it for this guy. Go hit the subscribe button for more video. Hey guys, just stay blessed, okay?